Hey everybody, it's me, Captain Ultimate here, and today we have a battery-powered paper airplane right in this box. Now it's time to unbox the paper airplane. Here's the motor, charger, whatever that is. A little motor, and they have tiny little compellers and a whole bunch of technology just in that. I explained every part. Now let's get to building. So we have the PowerUp paper airplane book, and it will show us how to build them. Whoa! Which one should we build now? I really like that one and that one. That one. Now let's get to building. We're going through the Vader and we're going to pick out a color. Here is the color station, which we need scissors, tape, paper, and the motor. Let's do this!
All right, we're about halfway there. So we got Ba Ultimate over here, making his first ever YouTube appearance on the McAllister Ultimate YouTube channel. What's up, Ba?
Hello. Very tired.
There's really good YouTube videos how to fold this plane.
Back side of the creases, the slower your plane's going to fly.
Now we put it all together. Now we're trying to figure out how to make it fly.
So we are currently downloading the app onto,
which is right here.
Right there on the iPad, because the airplane is connected via Bluetooth to the app, and that's how you control the airplane. So once we throw it and it starts flying around, you can actually control the airplane.
Yep.
And so that is what we are currently trying to do right before we launch it.
The airplane!
PowerUp 4.0.
We have the app downloaded. Now can I press it?
Let's fly.
Let's fly! We figured it out. Now we're going to fly it.
Yeah, bro, no, I don't think, I told you it's not going to generate lift. You got to fold those wings, dude. That's why I didn't want to launch it, because I knew exactly what was going on.
Wait, maybe we can pull it higher. Oh!
Distance on that one. Dude, that's not, so how does it work, dude? Like, I'm thinking we'll just fold it maybe a little bit shorter, like 1/4 inch, and that should give us a little bit more stability so Mac can pilot it easier.
Yay!
Man, I'm really cold. Oh my god. There we go, modifications complete. Mac, do you want to fly it?
I do want to fly it. Now can you turn it on?
That way.
About, you're going to want to hit
60.
automatically.
Well,
Lift up. Hey, push.
What do you think, buddy?
that was epic! And also cool. Let's rock and roll.
$100?
Yep.
Go.
It's the bet mover.
It's starting to show some structural wear and tear from, flying into the ground.
Yeah, because look, there's some dirt right there.
Well, that's not the biggest problem, it's bending. And we also did kind of lower its durability by folding it, but it gives us better lift. It seems like it's more stable this time, but it is starting to bend.
It only has 31 gas.
Okay, well then we gotta hurry this up, huh? it for a few seconds as it takes off, then drop to 60.
Ready?
Go. Hold on. It's going down. You can rotate it, remember, Mac?
Go get it.
No, you go get it. Here, I'll race you for it. Okay. It disconnected. Is it throttling? No, 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 don't throw, don't throw. That was just to find my plane.
Ready?
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Well, yeah, not. Ready to go. I think I lost control.
We're flying the Vader. It's pretty fun. If you like this, like and subscribe and be ultimate.
Oh, we're at 10% fuel. This might be our last flight.
Ready?
Go.
Oh! Fly back.
Trying. Okay, so you can't turn too rapidly because you lose too much lift. We're at 0% battery.
So it's pretty cool. PowerUp 4.0 paper airplane. The boys are having a blast doing it, trying to figure it out. This is our first one, the Invader, and yeah, you can tell that they are both engaged. Certainly learning a few things about airplanes and trajectory and flights, lift, all sorts of good stuff, but also just having a good time as brothers. So big thumbs up for this. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that like button, and you can see these two boys in the background having a great time. So be ultimate.
That's 5%.
Full speed.
Ready? Set, go! I need to sit down for this.
Ready, set, go. Yeah, no, Mac. I also, the engine isn't going as fast as it used to. I really don't think it has.
Dude. Can I play it?
Down with that one, up with that one. Go, pull up. Not too harshly though, because then you'll start stalling. So you gotta pull up softly. If you start pulling up all the way, the aircraft won't be able to get enough lift and it'll stall. Like that. Okay, turn it back.
This is really fun. Be ultimate. Like and subscribe this video if you like it.
So we are out of battery with the PowerUp airplane.
We have truth. It's only at 1%, so it can't fly.
So it has about 10 minutes. This was our first time, so I'm not sure we had it fully charged up. We would definitely, with the Invader, we definitely made some mistakes in building this, and we're excited to build it again.
Part 2 Invader.
Part 2, Invader 2.0. Anyway, it was awesome. We had a great time. Definitely, how many thumbs up for this?
1 trillion, quadrillion, 1 billion.
1 quadrillion, trillion, something or other. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Ba Ultimate making his first ever YouTube appearance. What up, Ba? Until next time. Be ultimate.
Be ultimate.
Be ultimate.